This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log out of your Trust Wallet account. Trust Wallet doesn't have a traditional logout button like many other applications you might use. Instead, logging out effectively means removing your wallet from the app. Before you proceed with any steps, it is absolutely essential to back up your recovery phrase. This phrase is your key to accessing your funds again later, so keep it safe. First, let's ensure your recovery phrase is safely backed up. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the Settings menu. From there, select Wallets and then tap the three dots next to the wallet you wish to manage. Choose Show Recovery Phrase and carefully write down all 12 words in the correct order. Store this phrase in a secure, offline location, as it is vital for restoring your wallet. Now that your recovery phrase is secure, you can remove your wallet. Return to the Settings menu and select Wallets again. Find the wallet you want to log out of and tap the three dots next to its name. A menu will appear. Select Remove Wallet. You will be prompted to confirm this action. Once confirmed, your wallet will be removed from the app, effectively logging you out. To re-access your wallet at any time, simply open the Trust Wallet app and choose the option I already have a wallet. You will then be asked to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Make sure to type each word accurately and in the correct sequence. Once entered, your wallet, along with all your funds and transaction history, will be fully restored within the application, allowing you to continue managing your crypto assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.